Ever seen a machine that can lift an entire container like it's weightless? This is the Kalmar Reach Stacker, one of the most advanced heavy-duty truck inventions in the world. Built for ports and industrial powerhouses, it can stack, move, and precisely place massive shipping containers with unbelievable control and strength. Its intelligent hydraulic system and reinforced chassis make it a true giant of efficiency. What looks like impossible weight is handled with smooth precision and safety. In modern logistics, speed and power decide everything, and this machine delivers both. The Kalmar Reach Stacker isn't just a vehicle, it's industrial intelligence on wheels.
Imagine a truck that can rotate its load without ever turning the machine itself. This is the Terramac RT14R, one of the most advanced tracked dump carrier inventions built for extreme terrain. Designed for construction, oil fields, and disaster zones, it delivers unmatched stability where normal trucks fail. Its 360-degree rotating dump bed allows precise unloading in tight and dangerous spaces, saving time and effort. Powered by rugged tracks instead of wheels, it conquers mud, hills, and uneven ground with ease. Strong, smart, and unstoppable, this machine redefines off-road performance. The Terramac RT14R isn't just heavy equipment, it's mobility without limits.
What if one trailer could carry the impossible? Meet the Multimax Plus, an advanced heavy transport solution built for extreme loads and precision engineering. It is designed to carry oversized machinery, industrial equipment, and massive structures with unmatched stability and control. With its modular axle system, it adapts to different loads and road conditions effortlessly. Engineered for industries like construction, energy, and infrastructure, it delivers power where standard trucks fail. This is not just transport. It is the future of heavy logistics, redefining how the world moves giant loads safely and efficiently. The Multimax Plus sets new industry standards today.
What if a truck could dig like a giant steel blade? Meet the Dutchman 100-inch Truck Spade, a powerful innovation designed for extreme earth-moving and industrial excavation. Built with a massive reinforced steel blade, it transforms heavy trucks into precision digging machines capable of handling the toughest soil conditions. Engineered for construction, mining, and land development, it delivers unmatched penetration force and control. Its advanced hydraulic integration allows smooth operation, reducing effort while maximizing productivity on site. This is not just an attachment, it is a force multiplier for modern engineering projects. When power meets precision, the Dutchman Spade redefines what heavy-duty excavation can achieve in the real world today now.
Ever seen a truck that works where roads don't even exist? Aebi TP 470 Vario is a Swiss extreme terrain transport vehicle designed for the harshest environments on Earth. Built with advanced hydrostatic drive and flexible chassis control, it delivers unmatched stability on steep slopes, mud, snow, and rocky ground. Its all-wheel steering system allows precise movement even in tight or dangerous working zones. Used in agriculture, rescue, and infrastructure projects, it replaces traditional trucks that cannot reach extreme locations. The Aebi TP 470 Vario redefines off-road capability with innovation, strength, and reliability in every mission. It is engineered for professionals who demand performance beyond limits in real-world conditions today, now. What if one trailer could carry extreme loads with absolute control? Meet semi-trailer Pavelli, a next-generation transport engineered for maximum strength and precision. Built for oversized cargo, industrial machinery, and long-haul challenges, it delivers unmatched stability on every route. Its advanced suspension system and reinforced frame ensure safety even under extreme weight. Designed for modern logistics, it improves efficiency while reducing transport risk. Every component is optimized for durability and performance in harsh environments. From construction sites to global freight operations, This semi-trailer stands as a symbol of reliability and innovation. Semi-trailer Pavelli doesn't just move cargo, it moves industries forward. Today.
Built for missions where failure is not an option. Meet the MDT U20, a powerful, next-generation heavy-duty transport truck engineered for extreme performance and reliability. Designed for military, industrial, and off-road operations, it delivers unstoppable strength in the toughest environments in any situation today. Its reinforced chassis, advanced suspension system, and high-torque drivetrain allow it to carry massive loads across mud, sand, and rugged terrain with ease. Built for durability and efficiency, the MDT U20 ensures maximum payload with controlled stability even under pressure. This is not just a transport vehicle, it is a battlefield-ready logistics machine. When conditions turn extreme, the MDT U20 keeps the mission moving forward without compromise in any situation today.